Oh no, I'm running out of time. The deadline's getting closer and closer. Can I really say that? What's the right story to tell? I've got too much material. My speech is too long. I don't think I can do this. Why on earth did I ever say yes? But help is at hand. It's so difficult, especially when we're under pressure, to see the wood from the trees. Sometimes we just need a fresh pair of eyes, a fresh pair of ears, with the experience and the techniques to make all the difference to your speech. It doesn't have to take long. It doesn't have to be painful. But you will end up with a speech that you can really enjoy delivering and will make the difference you seek.